Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to take a screenshot on Vivo Y200. If you are using Vivo Y200 and now you want to take a screenshot, so let's see how can I do this. You have some different ways. The first way is that you just have to scroll down your control center and you'll get the screenshot or super screenshot option here. If you won't find it here, just scroll down and you'll get it here on your control center. And after that, just select it, then select screenshot from here, and it will take a screenshot for you. The other option is you just have to enable the settings. So open settings app, then scroll down and look for shortcuts and accessibility. Select it, then select super screenshot here, and here you must have to enable the setting which is gesture screenshot. Just enable it and read the description which is swipe down with three fingers to take a screenshot. So you must have to swipe down with your three fingers just like this, and it will take a screenshot for you. So here's this third way, which is you just have to open your settings again, then go for shortcuts and accessibility, and you just have to look for easy touch here. Here's that, tap on it, and then enable it. After that, you'll get a gray dot just like this. Tap on it when you want to take a screenshot, and then select screenshot here. In this way you can easily take a screenshot, you can easily edit it from here. So that's how you can easily take a screenshot and review at 200. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.